Hello guys, welcome to Tech Monster. In this video we are going to reveal Samsung Galaxy S23 series leak teases massive performance gains over S22 series. If you are a new viewer in our channel, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell icon for more video. Thank you. Samsung will reportedly unveil the Galaxy S23 series on February 1st. As such, we should expect plenty of leaks as the launch event approaches. Samsung always struggles to keep its new smartphones secret, but the Galaxy S23 rumors are all the more interesting as Samsung is looking to put the Galaxy S22 performance issues behind it. And a new Galaxy S23 leak tells us we should expect significant speed gains over its predecessor. All three S23 models will feature the same high-end Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 system on chip. There is no Exynos 2300 to throttle this time. That should guarantee uniform performance across the board and across international markets. In previous years, the US models would get Snapdragon SoCs. International Galaxy S variants would run on Samsung's Exynos chips. The Exynos 2200 turned out to be a big disappointment this year, leading to a big scandal. Users found that Samsung Galaxy S22 throttled the performance and the phone was cheating in benchmarks. Recent Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 benchmark indicated Qualcomm's new chip will put up an even better fight against Apple's A16 Bionic chipset that powers the iPhone 14 Pros. Moreover, Galaxy S23 will get an exclusive Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 version. The chip is clocked slightly higher than the chips powering non-Samsung devices. But even so, the early benchmarks teased performance differences between the base model and the Galaxy S23 Ultra. As we explained before, the early benchmarks might show lower scores than the Galaxy S23 units that will hit stores running finalized software. A leaker provided actual figures that teased the massive performance gains of the Galaxy S23. According to the tweet above, all three models will have a CPU that's 36% faster than last year's model. The GPU and NPU performance should see even more formidable gains at 48% and 60% respectively. It's unclear where these percentage gains come from, however. The leaker indicates the Galaxy S23 will have a better cooling system than the S22, which should improve the heat dissipation and reduce battery consumption. Reports this year speculated Samsung resorted to throttling the Exynos 2200 Galaxy S22 as the phone lacked a proper cooling system. Cooling remains a worry for the Galaxy S23 as well. Please let me know what's your thought about this in the comment section. If you are a new viewer in our channel, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell icon for more video. Thank you.